Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, hi, this is Alekia. I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then I think you should do subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And also, I am super active on my Instagram, and if you want to follow me, I'll mention my handle over here and also in the description box. Do check it out. Today's video is really very interesting video. We'll be discussing about falsies or fake eyelashes and everything you need to know about them. So let's not make this intro any longer. Let's get into the video. A small disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist. I am a beginner just like you guys, and I just wanted to use falsies on myself, and I had so many doubts and questions regarding them, and I had to do so much of research before using them. So I just wanted to share my experiences with you guys and make it easy for you guys. Let's see what all my concerns are. What are the things you need to buy? When I wanted to buy lashes, the first thing that came into my mind is from which brand I need to buy. I had done a lot of research and finally concluded with these two brands. One is PAC, other one is Nykaa. Nykaa one is kind of okayish and decent to the price, but PAC ones are really very good. And these two have different varieties, and choose according to your preference. Second thing you need to have is a lash glue or adhesive glue. It just sticks your fake eyelashes to your eyelid, and if you are going with Nykaa eyelashes, then definitely buy this lash glue because it claims to have a free one, but it doesn't work. It is an utter waste. Currently I'm using Miss Claire one, which I'll add a picture over here, and I think that is kind of showing black color over my eyelids. I need to change it. Next thing you need to have is a tweezer. Now this is very optional because I don't use it. I feel very comfortable in applying the eyelashes with my own hand. If you are someone who don't like applying with hands, then you can go for tweezer. How to use them? Basically, all the eyelashes will come in a box like this. I'll add a picture over here so that you can see it. And for the first time, if you are removing the lash from the box, you need to be really very careful. And if you are mishandling it, it will go out of shape and you can't use it. You need to check whether it is fitting your eye or not. If it is too long for your eyes, then you need to trim it from both the ends, not from one end. Try to be a little gentle when you are pulling it out for the first time. Take the lash glue, just a little product, apply it on the fake lash and wait for 5 seconds. Let it get dry, not too much dry, just make it a balance and apply it. If it is kind of wet, then it will make a situation on your face which we don't want. And if it is a bit dry, then it will be fine. You can stick it easily. Now go from the outer corner, stick it over here first, and then go with the inner corner first, and then balance everything over the eye. When you want to remove, just pull it off from one end to other. That's it. How to clean these eyelashes? This is how I am gonna clean my eyelashes. I'm just taking the dirty eyelashes first and trying to remove the glue from it with my own hands. Take your own time, be little gentle, and if you are doing it in a very forcible manner, then it might lose its shape. So take your own time, do it in a very gentle manner. And that, take a lukewarm water in a bowl and add a micellar water in it and put those lashes in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat this process 2 times. I have shown only 1 time in the video, just do it for 2 times. After 20 minutes, take the lashes, just try to clean the excess of mascara or the glue, try to clean them, and you can do it with a tissue or earbud. Now transform into the box and tada! Wait until it gets air dried and tada! They are ready. That's how I clean my fake eyelashes. How often we should use them? Now, this is very tricky question and it completely varies from person to person. If you are using a PAC one or any other good brand, then it can be used from 8 to 10 times with a proper maintenance. If you are going with the Nykaa one, and I would suggest you to go with 5 to 6 times, not more than that. The quality of it is bit okayish, but kind of not. Just don't use it more than 5 to 6 times. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope I have covered everything regarding falsies. If you still have any concerns, then feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you with an answer. And if you feel like this video is helpful, then give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Come on guys, you need to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. See you soon guys. Bye.